Hello Mama Angels, it's Mama Savvy here. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, today I'm going to be talking about how to plan the most inexpensive, cheap baby shower. When it comes to baby showers, one of the big things that a lot of people have on their mind is it worth it? I know I went back and forth about my baby shower because I didn't know if it was really worth it to invite those people I love to shower my baby, or to go ahead and buy the things that I wanted. In the end, I decided that it was a great idea to have the baby shower, but to have it very inexpensively. So this video will show you how I accomplished my very inexpensive baby shower. If you want to see how I did so, keep watching. Rule number 1 is do not rent a venue. I know that sounds crazy, like where am I going to have my shower? But if you know someone with a nice home, or you have a nice home for entertaining, that is a great alternative and a wonderful way to save money. The venue is going to be your #1 expense when it comes to planning an event. So cutting out that expense is going to save you the most money. Rule number 2 is get creative. Add your own personal touches. There is nothing more special than having things that you can commemorate from your shower and hang in your nursery, like so. I made several decorations for my shower. The letter lights, I'll link a video to how I made those. The angel wings, and me and my sister and sister-in-law just came together and decorated the whole space that we had for my baby shower, and it turned out beautiful. So just know that you can add your own personal touches without spending bukus of money. Most of the things that I got from Amazon and put them together, and it all worked out so lovely. Rule number 3, buy things that you already need. So for the backdrop that I created, I went out and decided that I should just get new curtains. Like, who doesn't need new curtains? And use those for the backdrop instead of buying a backdrop from whatever site that I could find backdrops on. It turned out to be way cheaper. Walmart has curtains, 2 panels for $12.99. So I ended up saving money and also using those curtains now in my nursery / room. So reusing items from your shower is a great idea also to saving bukus of money. Rule number 4, have someone take pictures instead of hiring a photographer. If you have a nice camera or a nice iPhone or a phone in general, have someone take your pictures, someone that you trust to take those pictures for you. That is one way to save without having an extra expense of a photographer. Tip number 5. Create multiple registries. Now is the time in life to get free things. You're pregnant, you're going to have a baby, take all the free things you can. Most of the time when you create a free registry, they will send you a welcome box or some type of gift of some sort for having people shop at their store. So for instance, I created an Amazon registry as well as a Target registry. Amazon sent me a welcome box full of like little goodies, and Target also gave me a welcome bag full of coupons and little free samples. And my final tip would be to do some self-catering. So what I did was I ordered 2 large pans of chicken. I had about, let's say, 20 people show up to my baby shower. So 2 large pans of chicken, and me and my mom decided to home make the sides. So that was a great way to save money. So not having a catering expense is another way. So the only people that you end up paying is pretty much no one. I really hope you all enjoyed these tips. If you have more ways to save on baby showers, please comment below. If you have not taken the time to like any of my videos, please do so now, and also hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell to get all of my notifications when I post. Thank you all for watching this video, and as always, be blessed.